name is Francis and I'm an environmentalist and I'm going to define the idiom "a little bird told me." Okay? It basically means that just someone has come up to you and approached you and told, just a piece of information to you.
Hello, my name's Dom. I assist the chef for a professional football club, and a little bird told me. My definition of a little bird told me is it's a rumour. It's something that you hear on the grapevine. You can't always take it as truth or fact. It's a rumour.
Hello, my name is Michael. I'm a student at the UEA and I'm studying American Studies, and I'm going to define the idiom "a little bird told me."
Hi, my name is Emily. I'm a student of English Literature at the UEA and I'm going to define the idiom "a little bird told me."
Okay, my definition of "a little bird told me" would be a little piece of gossip or rumour that you've heard that word gets around and it gets back to sort of tell the person.
My definition would be when someone tells you something and you're not going to say who it was, but it's usually something secret, a secret or a piece of gossip.
Hi, my name is Rick. I'm a barman at the Union Bar, and I'm going to define for you the idiom "a little bird told me." A little bird told me to me would mean that someone has told me a rumour regarding whoever I was talking to at the time.